Don't assume. Don't assume. That was the name of the thing. Don't assume.
Just one. Okay, here you go.
Just
Take
grab one. Oh, is this one? Does that one have a split off like this? Yeah.
Yep.
He then needs the
a
4-pin connector, right? I have a 4-pin right here. Is this what you mean? Just a little connector piece?
Now the 8-pin to the CPU.
Is this right though?
No, listen to him. Now the 8-pin to the 8-pin CPU. What?
That's your Nintendo cord.
Pretty sure. I should know this. They all look the same, honestly.
Is that it on your right?
Is that it on your...
This one says CPU.
CPU and the 8-pin, maybe. Yeah, this is it. And then you use one of the other ones. This one, I think. They go together, maybe.
I don't know, but there's only like 4 cords, so and then we're done.
Damn, that took forever.
Honestly,
And now the SATA.
that was a lot easier than it should have been.
Oh, really?
No, I'll be honest, like...
SATA.
Laura, we just built a fucking
They're
computer.
flat. This one right here, right?
This one's flat.
I got 2. Why aren't they freaking labeled? He said no, no. Okay, I'm going to put them down. I'm just going to show you everything. And
We
you're
got a
gonna
cord
tell
that
me.
has a 90-degree angle.
He said they're flat. Is it this?
These ones are not really flat.
I think it's this. Yes. There you go.
Thank you.
She's got it. I like that. I like when he says that.
Solid, you're just going to watch her stream the whole time. I don't care. She's stealing the show. Castle!
He said, dude.
We're working on the cables of the power supply.
So 4 cables. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm gonna
That's 5.
Oh, wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, this is not it.
Nice PSU.
Wait, let me see what you got. I just want to double
Thanks,
check.
man.
You got a CPU.
Is it good? Is it really that nice?
Alright, you don't need that.
I had a bronze one in my car.
Alright, I'm just going to double check. Ready?
At Best Buy.
PCU,
And
right
it
here.
went out of stock, so I got the gold one, and it's the same
CPU.
price.
Then we got that big husky one, and then the flat one. Okay, there's your 4. I'm going to put these in the bag so we don't mix them up. I am sad that your rig is...
No way. Get the fuck out of here. You're just saying that to make me feel good.
Oh, that's nice. Here, hold this.
She's got it. Solid said she's got it. Alright, I'm going to let Laura finish it because I started it and she can finish it. Here, take this band off me. You can do the honors.
Do the honors.
Yep, you're going to finish it.
Oh, careful.
You can finish what I started. That's amazing. Gold will slowly save you money on your power bill over the years. Fuck yeah. I get to save money on my fucking my bills. Fuck yeah. It's not something I'm usually used to.
Some direction. Actually, this should be easy because it's kind of
Because
like Legos,
you're the best.
Where you
That's
just-
why.
where you just put it in where you think it goes. All right,
I'm just gonna rob your charger real
I
quick.
need light.
Dude, how's my phone not died? Like, does Twitch